car wash number 2 today, the Auto King Car Wash, Plano, Texas. That's right, Wasworld High Velocity. 4, 5, 6, and 7 for your wash options. So another really cheap place. It's also got laser dries too, which is interesting. And yes, I can use cash. Thank you. That voice is pretty quiet. Okay, let's see. Hopefully these bills work. Uh-oh. Got to get my last dollar in. Alright, got it. Actually not that bad. Yeah, you better look at your wash options. Let me zoom out. We got the super, of course. I got my thumbnail there. Alright, so now we wait until this guy's done. Alright, watch this. This is pretty funny. Clunk. This is gonna be a fun wash. This is probably the shortest in-bay automatic I've ever seen. The high velocity looks like it was used. Put in after 4,000. Luckily we still have cool laser dries. This is going to be another interesting car wash. Let's see what a $7 high velocity does. Alright, clear to go in. I'm looking forward to this one. Oh boy, this is gonna be an adventure. Back and forth passes are really fast. Yeah, let's see how good $7 for high velocity does. Well, it's a good sign that it seems to be working pretty well. Oh my gosh. Seems like, yeah, take my phone case off, seems to be working. Haven't had an overheating issue yet. This thing's comical. Clear coat, because yeah, I don't see any tri-foam applicators on here. But my goodness, what an interesting machine this is. just got stuck for a second. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Will this car wash be able to finish my wash? I know these. Oh my gosh. These $7 sketchy washes are interesting around here. Wow. And there's our spot free. Oh yeah, I see a dryer timer. It's out on the post on the vacuum thing in front. I can't believe I caught that on camera. The machine actually got stuck for a few seconds. That was funny. Good old laser dry. I had more dryer time on this place than the other place, so that helps. And these laser dryers are not as good as others I've seen. Well, if they're really that lazy on this place, it could be worse, honestly, though. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna point the camera back while driving forward. That's probably the most comical car wash I've filmed yet. Alright, on to number 3, if I can figure where to get out of here. Oh man, wow.